Before I go ahead and start shopping, I need to plan this thing out so it works smoothly. Of course, does anything run smoothly? We can try to make it as smooth as possible, I will say, right? It's always something. We're going to be optimistic about it and say that it's going to be a smooth process. In order to do that is to plan. I'm talking to all the people right now who want to decorate and they don't know where to start. You could be in your home for a very long time and you just tired of how it looks. So it's time to make a change. And if you have no idea where to start, I think planning your space out first is going to make things a lot smoother for you. I want to get this out before you leave this video. I wanted to tell you that I am launching a DIY decorator coaching program really soon. I'm going to have an open enrollment period where you can sign up. This is going to be a process that takes you about 3 months to finish, because honestly it's going to take that long to plan, to purchase, to install. Especially now with you know, the condition it is right now for us, things are taking much longer for us to get. Let's take our time and do it right the first time. And I have a program that will allow you to connect with me, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process, like each step of the way. It's just not one time, it's, you know, throughout the entire process. If that's something that's for you, click in the description box below of the video and click on that link and sign up to be on the wait list. So back to it. So step one is to find out what room you would like to decorate. For me, that is my living room. I believe that it is more effective to focus on one room at a time. When you are trying to decorate multiple rooms and you have no clue where to start, how you want it, it can be very overwhelming and frustrating. So what I normally do is one room at a time, and I like to focus on a room that gets utilized the most. Step two is to get very clear on what your style or styles are. If you have someone else that shares the space with you, you need to get their input. It's just not right. I know you want to just decorate it how you want to. Everybody does, right? But no, it's the right thing to do is to include your spouse or significant other so that they can be, you know, cozy and comfortable and love their environment as well. Make sure you understand what each of your styles are. Come together. It's okay if it's different. Don't worry about that. But first, capture the styles that you like. If you don't know where to go to understand what the styles are, I'll put a link in the description box below where you can understand and get, you know, read up on what styles are available. To be honest with you, you can have multiple styles. There is one that's prominent than the other, but it's okay if you have multiple styles. Say you are modern, but you like Scandinavian. So you're probably modern and Scandinavian. Third, you want to put together a vision board. And I believe this is something that you can do online. I would not recommend cutting, you know, looking through magazines and cutting out pictures and creating a board. You want something easy. That's something that you could easily do and create and keep moving. As you see an idea, you can add it to your board. And where you can do this is Pinterest. So if you're not familiar with Pinterest, I'm going to take you through the steps to create your own board. This is something that I do all the time. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm in Pinterest right now. My board is called Inspo for New House. And as you can see, I have broken up each of my boards into the rooms that I have in my home. This way, everything can stay organized. And this is definitely something that you can do, and it's really easy to do. If you do not have Pinterest, what I would recommend is go to Pinterest, pinterest.com, and sign up. And once you sign up, you should get a feed You may have to pick out topics that you're interested in and make sure you put something related to decorating. So when you search through Pinterest and you see a photo that you like, you want to click on create board, because you do not have any boards if you are signing up. And what you want to do is name your board whatever you would like. For this example, I'm going to use Backyard Idea. And what I'm going to do is select secret, because I don't want anybody to have access or be able to see it. And you have created your new board. So now when you are scrolling on your home feed and you notice photos that you like, what you want to do is click the red save button. So whenever you see a photo, and just make sure you're in the right board that you would like to save to, and just click save. It's just that simple, and this is so convenient. When you have some time, you can go and scroll and just get ideas and put it to your vision board. Now, if you're wondering how do you navigate to your new board that you've created, once you save a pin, you could go at the bottom and click on the hyperlink to go to your board. There is another way, and I can show you that. So this is the board that we created, and we've saved all the photos that we liked. So if we wanted to edit the board and we wanted to share our ideas with someone, all we have to do is edit it. So you go to the three dots and just click edit board, and you can change the name of it. You can add a description. You must uncheck the keep secret, because it's no longer secret if you're trying to share it. So then you can send a link. Now, if you would like more detail on how to navigate in Pinterest, just let me know in the comment section. To recap, there are 3 things that I recommend you do first before you start decorating. First, decide what room you would like to start decorating. 2, get clear on your design style. And 3, create a mood board. So guys, I hope this video was very helpful. Please let me know in the comment section below what are the things that you do before you start decorating, and start the conversation down below.